Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong third quarter ng 2024. So that's July, August, September. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And of course, it's Cancer season. Happy birthday, happy solar return. I wish you all the best in life, happiness, success, good health. So let's see, third quarter ng 2024 for you, Cancer. Wow, so there's a butterfly. Alam naman natin ang butterfly, it symbolizes new beginnings, transformation, changes. Okay? So maaring yan, sa third quarter ng 2024, may mga big changes no sa buhay mo. This can be in any area of your life. So this is about metamorphosis, pagbabago. Some of you are going to surrender to the divine. Kumbaga, alam niyo yung kanta na kaya sera, di ba? Kaya sera, whatever will be, the future's not ours to see. Que sera. So, ayun, kumanta ako, no? Ano siya, kumbaga, you will just go with the flow, will embrace change, and be open to a new you. It's a brand new you. Wow. Okay. What else? You have desert. So, itong desert, di ba, mainit sa desert. Maaring you may experience some challenges na tipong feeling mo parang wala kang mapagkukunan ah, ng kailangan mo, no? And pag nasa desert, 'di ba, you have to use your resources and you have to prepare, no? Kailangan mo maghanda para sa journey na 'yan kasi may mga bagay na wala sa desert na kailangan natin. Example, tubig, no? So you have to prepare for that. So itong energy ng desert is about resilience, no? Yung pagiging adaptable na may mga pagbabago, okay? May mga pagbabago with the butterfly here. Pero sumusunod ka dun sa pagbabago, umaayon ka dun sa pagbabago. Oo, kumbaga nag-a-adapt ka sa change na yan. So that's the energy for you. So kumbaga may challenge man, kaya-kaya mong i-handle. And you are also being given this divine assistance during the time na mangangailangan ka ng tulong, ng assistance. You also have peacock, yan, transmutation, awareness, liberation. So maaring you are freeing yourself, palalayain mo yung sarili mo sa isang limitation, sa isang sitwasyon na sa tingin mo wala kang control over it. I feel like you're going to be more adventurous at the same time, no? Ngayong third quarter ng 2024, may mga susubukan ka na gagawin na hindi mo pa na-try before. And this will give you more liberation, no? Kalayaan. Let's see what else. Oh, 30 of Swords. You have the 4 of Cups. Justice. 9 of Cups. And the King of Wands. Okay, some of you are going to deal with some pain. Oo, parang growth pains to, 'di ba? Na as we grow, meron tayong mga challenges na kinakaharap. And some of you may feel defeated, no? Kaya nga, ito yung time na kailangan maging resilient kaya na maging adaptable ka sa change na yan. I think, yung iba sa inyo, you're not, kumbaga hindi ka na magtsatsaga sa isang sitwasyon na alam mo, hindi mo dinideserve. Okay? This can be sa relationship, this can be sa career mo, sa business mo, or ano man yung situation mo ngayon. You know what you deserve. Okay? With the Justice card. Alam mo kung ano yung dinideserve mo. Ano yung best for you. And with the 9 of Cups, hahanapin mo yung magpapasaya sa'yo. Hahanapin mo yung magbibigay sa'yo ng fulfillment. ngayong third quarter. And this is going to give you more power, more confidence, freedom, okay, to explore your path. So, kumbaga, medyo challenging siya, pero yan yung ano kasi, yan yung parang tinatawag nilang ano, I couldn't, nakakalimutan ko yung word na yan lagi. Oo. Yung, it's like, para siyang trigger point or kindling agent sa mga experiment, no, para may mag-react. No? So, merong may ilalagay ka na chemical para mag-react yung chemical, parang ganon. So, parang alchemy, no? So, you will alchemize your life. You will make some changes na maaring sa una, mahirap, pero kayang-kaya mo namang malagpasan. Tingnan natin, so para sa katahimikan ng iba, ano tong area of life na may disappointments? Oh, first house, this is about yourself. So pag nasa first house yan, ano yan lahat ng areas na to sa buhay mo can be any area of your life. Sixth house, so sa work to, sa daily routine mo, or sa health mo. So pay attention sa yung health. Let's see, sa money, career, finances, you have the Eight of Pentacles. You have the Five of Pentacles. So, yung iba sa inyo, ang isa sa challenge, maaring area sa area ng career, trabaho, or business, no? Yan, no, may Tower. It seems na you've been doing your best na sa career mo, but it seems na hindi yun para sa'yo kasi kahit anong gawin mo, hindi nag-work for you. 'Di ba? Alam niyo yung, ewan ko kung napapanood niyo or nabasa niyo yun somewhere, yung halaga ng bottled water, 'di ba? Nag-iiba-iba yung halaga ng tubig na yon sa iba't ibang places kung saan mo siya binili. 'Di ba? So, iba yung presyo ng bottled water sa, let's say, sa convenience store. Mas mahal pag sa hotel mo siya binili, 'di ba? Yung kumbaga, you're going to look for a career, a business, or a situation sa income mo na dinideserve mo yung value na nakukuha mo. Okay? So, let's see what else. Kaya yung iba, may babaguhin. Pwedeng kayo ay aalis talaga dyan sa situation nyo, sa trabaho, career, or business. Tinan mo. You are going within. Yung iba sa inyo malungkot. May ending, no? Death or loss. It's over. Yeah. Some of you, yung career ninyo, career path ninyo, meron kayong tatapusin dyan. Pwedeng iba, natapos na yung kontrata and you are thinking about doing other things. Maaring pagbabago to talaga to sa, sa career path na gusto mo. And kasama dyan yung pag-a-analyze mo sa sarili mo, pag-re-assess mo kung ano talaga yung gusto mong gawin. Kung saan ka mas magiging masaya. Sa love life, you have the Nine of Staves. You have the Death card. And the Judgment. Naku. Cancer. Itong third quarter ng 2024 can be challenging para sa inyo. To be honest. But of course, hindi naman lahat magre-resonate yan sa inyo. Just a reminder lang or parang precautionary measures. Para at least heads up lang na baka ma-experience nyo. So, I also see an ending of a relationship here. Diba? May new beginnings. Merong ending, pero meron ding new beginnings for yourself. This is like a fresh start. So, maaring iba sa inyo aalis sa isang relationship na sa tingin mo, it's no longer serving your highest good. Sa tingin mo, nagawa mo na yung best mo para i-keep yung relationship pero wala talagang pinatutunguhan. Okay? So, yeah, I think you're bringing balance into your life right now. You are, kumbaga parang gusto mong bumalik uli sa'yo yung lakas mo. Yung power na tinanggal sa'yo or kinuha sa'yo ng person mo. Okay? Yes, ask how to bring balance in to the situation and into your heart. Yes. So, mas paglalaanan mo ng oras, panahon yung sarili mo, aayusin mo, 'no? Yung mga bagay, tao, sitwasyon na alam mong hindi na nakakatulong sa pag-grow mo, ile-let go mo na yon and you will embrace new things, new opportunities, new connections sa buhay mo, okay? So that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye.